I know what you're thinking. Why are you building a dock and new stairs when there isn't any lake?
That's a good question.
So there's a series of 4 river-fed lakes in mid-Michigan where multiple dams had failed back in 2020 and then flooded the entire county. After years of repairs, the water will actually start to come back in 2026, so it was time to assemble the dock and some new dock stairs too. I looked on boating and dock websites first, but some of those prices seemed pretty high. I was just looking for a basic set of aluminum stairs to help get out of the water and up to the dock. Oh, and the boss, I mean my wife, demanded handrails. Amazon and VEVOR came to the rescue. Now, I'm not sponsored by VEVOR at all, but I've had pretty good luck on a few of their imported tools and accessories. These 6-step dock stairs gave me the climbing height that I needed and could support good weight on the stairs. Best yet, it was less than $200.
Damn good deal.
I don't know, was it really a great deal?
We'll see.
I was excited to get the delivery, maybe a little more than necessary, given that it was only a set of stairs. I mean, it's not like it was a new woodshop tool or anything. The box weighed in about 30 pounds or 13.5 kilos, so the delivery guy wasn't too pissed off by having to bring it up to the doorstep. It was pretty well boxed with plastic wrap and foam in all the right places to prevent damage of the rails and the steps. The first thing I wanted to check out were the 22-inch wide stairs made from C-channel extruded aluminum with textured treads on top. They appeared to be pretty thick and sturdy. The main frame rails were also well constructed with pre-drilled and welded on tread channel, and these 2 adjustable foot risers will allow for different dock heights. There are also top and bottom handrail risers that attach to the frame, and then these 2 aluminum handrails that'll insert into those risers. 6 stair treads come with this model, accommodating a ground to dock height of up to 51 inches. Finally, and thankfully, the hardware was all stainless steel, which is good, because dock stairs get wet and stuff.
Really?
I really like how awesome the instructions are on many of these imported Chinese products.
Note that pass the bolts through mounting holes from top to bottom.
Yeah, thanks. But the assembly is still pretty easy enough to figure out on your own. The first installation tip I'll offer is to loosely install the top step first and then fit the rest of the treads on the frame while you can still spread the frame rails apart a bit. Use the small stainless bolts for the treads. There are only enough washers for the nut assembly on the underside of the stair, so no washers on the top of the treads. The rest of the assembly was pretty easy to figure out, and we'll just let the video tell that story. I bought this set of stairs knowing the distance between the lake bed and the top of the dock was 55 inches, while the stairs were only 51 inches high at their max setting. That means I'm going to need to level up a couple of 4-inch blocks under the stair pads to make the whole installation firm and stable. I didn't show any of that grunt work on video, but here is the finished base for the stairs. To mount the stairs to the dock, I wound up using the stainless lag bolts provided in the package, but will probably swap them out for long bolts in the future. Let's let's talk about a final summary and a product review. I like how solid and supportive these stairs are, and I'm 6'5", 280 pounds with a big floppy hat.
Did you just call me Blob?
The stairs work just fine for a chunky dude. I also like the painted finish over the aluminum to help protect it from wear and oxidation. The 22-inch tread is plenty wide for easy travel up and down, and given the general cost increases I've seen for raw aluminum stock these days, the $195 price tag for this complete 6-step dock stair product was a winner. Not so great, this general design leaves the top step butted up against the dock, not really leaving you lots of room for a foothold going up or down. That's not a VEVOR thing. I see the same design issue with other stairs and ladders out there too. I would have also liked the tread fasteners to be carriage bolts rather than hex. I don't imagine there'll be a real injury issue, but you could feel them if stepped on. They are at the outer edges of the tread, so maybe that's no big deal. And finally, I was missing a small bolt out of the pack, though in honesty I may have just lost one, but there were no extras in the package. I was also missing one plastic cap on one of the handrails, and both of those missing pieces just means a quick trip to the hardware store. Overall, this product gets 4 out of 5 thumbs. I like how it works with my existing dock. Hey everybody, thanks for watching. Please give us a like and subscribe to the channel. We don't ask for donations or take on any sponsors, so your subscription support means a lot and helps us grow. Take care.